If you build apps inside Google AI Studio, you need to hear this. Google quietly rebuilt the build experience, and a few of these changes actually make vibe coding a lot less painful. I'm Kamsy, this is Tech with Kamsy. Let's get into it. First, there's a playground inside AI Studio. Before testing a text model, an image model, a voice model, or the live API meant jumping between different screens, now it's all in one place. That matters because vibe coding isn't just writing code. You're testing how the model responds, checking an image it generated, or listening to a voice model before any of it goes into your app. One place for all of that means less tab switching, more building. Second, there's a new rate limit page. Before you could hit a wall mid-build with a 0 warning. Now you can see your usage limit in real time right inside the platform. If you're building for a client or working through something bigger, that alone saves you from getting blindsided. Now the part most of you came for, build mode. It handles multi-file projects properly now. Instead of one messy file doing everything, Gemini organizes your apps the way a real developer would. Clean separate files, easier to go back and tweak. There's live in browser previews as your app gets built, so you watch it come together in real time instead of guessing. Also guys, if you didn't realize, I'm using a slightly different video type here. So if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe and keep up with the journey. And there's also a multiplayer support, as you can see. You can build alongside someone else in the same project at the same time. No more sending files and forth with a teammate or a client. On top of that, you can ground your app with real Google Maps data. No separate integration needed for anything location based. Put it all together and Google AI Studio feels less like a playground for testing prompts and more like a real place to build and ship small products. If you want a full walkthrough where I built one for using all of this live, let me know in the comments. I'm Kamsy, this is Tech with Kamsy. See you in the next one. Bye.